Welcome student to the Burhani Personal Tuition English Writing Skill. In this video we will learn about precis writing. So first understand what is the meaning of precis. Precis means a summary. Okay. What you have to do in a precis writing? Okay, one para will be there. You have to reduce the same para into 1/3 and also you have to give the title of the para. This is called precis writing. Again I am saying precis means summary of a given para. So first we learn the rule of precis writing. First read the passage. Okay, carefully, okay, and thoroughly read the given passage. So what is given in the passage? What is the theme of a passage? Try to grab the theme of the passage. Then thoroughly understand its meaning. Okay, what a given para wants to convey. You should, okay, read and buy, okay, and you have to read it 2 to 3 times. Then only you can grab the meaning of a given para. Then reduce into 1/3 for the precis. Okay, if it is of 90 words, you have to write precis in 30 words along with the title. Use own language. Be particular about language. It's not necessary you have to use the given words in the precis only. It should be your own language, and you also learn one word for meaning. Use one word for group of words. Okay. Then use simple language with simple tense. No use to use hard words or more adjectives and more proverbs. Use simple language, and final words should be in third person. They, it, she, he, past tense, and indirect speech. It should not be in a direct speech. Your precis should be in past tense, third person pronoun, and indirect speech. Then title must be given. Your marking also depends upon title. Okay, if you give the proper title, it is a clear understanding of the fact that you have understood the meaning of a para. If you get the meaning of a given para, then only you can write the suitable title. Okay, if you write a proper title, you win the half battle, won the half battle. Okay, so these are rules. Read the passage, thoroughly understand its meaning, then reduce into 1/3 for the precis. Use own language. Use one word for group of words. Use simple language with simple tense. Simple tense means containing one clause only. Independent clause. Final word, third person, past tense, and indirect speech. Title must be given. This is the most important thing. Before precis, title must be given. Okay. Now, with the help of example, we will learn precis writing in detail. Okay. Now student, here one para is there. First we will read out the given para. If we look back at India's long time history, we find that our forefathers, means our ancestors, made wonderful progress whenever they look out on the world with clear and fearless eyes and kept the window of their mind open to give and receive. This is what they want to say. We were, okay, currently it is saying India is a developing country, but our history proves that we were the most civilized and most developed people of the planet. So what was the reason? The reason was the thinking of our forefathers, broad-mindedness. Then totally inverse happened. And in later periods, when they grew narrow in outlook and shrank from the outside influence, India suffered a setback that we are politically and culturally. Okay, when we shrink our outlook, become selfish, okay, religious minded, we have to suffer a rivalry and we become a slave of different rulers. We can say outside foreigners, from Muhammad Ghazni to British government. Okay, second point, why we suffer setbacks. And third point, India suffers setbacks. What a magnificent inheritance, what we have gained from our ancestors, inheritance. We have thought, we have abused often enough. India has been in a vital lesson in spite of all the misery and suffering that she has experienced. But in the end is saying, though we have suffered so much, we can't ignore our vibrant inheritance. We were developed. We were developing everything, medical, education, astrology, astronomy, in each and every You can say science and socially. Okay, though we have suffered setbacks, we are well developed. Okay, we are content with what we are having. So this para contains 95 words. So you understand that this topic is about India's development. So give a suitable title and reduce it to 1/3. Now I will show you the answer of this para. Okay.